A second trial for 3 Washington County deputies accused of killing Eurie Martin could happen within 5 months. 7 years ago, Martin died after being tased by the side of Deep Step Road.
Deputies tried to talk to Martin for walking in and along the road, but prosecutors say they had no reason to arrest him or tase him. The deputies were fired and now face 8 charges, including felony murder and manslaughter. The case went to trial in 2021, but the judge declared a mistrial after the jury could not agree on a verdict. Today, a Washington County judge heard pretrial motions in the case.
Selene Arif went there to learn what's next.
For about an hour inside of this courthouse, the judge spoke with both the defense and the prosecution about what's left to do before this goes to trial. The judge didn't mention anything about moving this trial out of the county.
Your Honor, we would call Randy Daniel Howard.
Cowart was one of 2 new witnesses called in Thursday's evidentiary hearing. She said she was driving towards Milledgeville on Deep Step Road when she saw Martin walking.
Can you say specifically where you saw him on the side of the road?
I honestly can't. I don't remember. He was on the right-hand side of the road, coming towards traffic.
The second witness was Christopher Godfrey. He said he was in the car with Cowart when they had to drive into the other lane to avoid hitting Martin.
Yes, it's almost like dancing or I don't really know how to explain it.
The defense didn't say why they brought the new witnesses or say their statements justified the tasing. The prosecutors argued dashcam video shows Martin wasn't walking on the road. Martin's family was in court but did not speak. Family friend Leonard Jordan spoke on their behalf.
They wanted to get out to surrounding counties so they would have support.
In 2021, the first trial of former deputies Henry Lee Copeland, Michael Howell, and Rhett Scott ended in a mistrial. But Jordan said the family hasn't lost hope in justice.
We're going to trust God, and we're going to trust God to work through that prosecution team. So we're going to put our trust in him.
And the judge asked both the defense and the prosecution to send him a couple of days that could work for the beginning of trial. The judge said those days could be after the first 2 weeks of September or after October 9. Reporting in Sandersville, Selene Arif, 13 WMEZ News.
Defense lawyers are asking Judge H. Gibbs Flanders again to throw out the charges. They say Copeland, Howell, and Scott were just doing their jobs and the judge should grant immunity. Flanders did not rule today. Martin's family was in court today, chose not to speak. Leonard Martin did say the family just wants justice and for this to end.